Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I give you videos on advancing technologies. In the present video, I would like to talk about Bengaluru emerges as world's fastest growing tech hub. London second. Bengaluru is also ranked 6th for the world's tech venture capitalist. Investments on a global list topped by Beijing and San Francisco, New York, Shanghai and London making up the top 5. The UK capital of London registered as impressive 3 times growth between 2016 and 2020, rising from US dollars 3.5 billion to 10.5 US billion dollars. Bengaluru has emerged as the world's fastest growing mature tech ecosystem in the world since 2016, followed by the European cities of London, Munich, Berlin and Paris. With India's financial center of Mumbai in 6th place according to a new research released in London on Thursday. Dealroom.co data analyzed by London and partners. The Mayor of London's International Trade and Investment Agency reveals that investment in the Karnataka capital of Bangalore grew 5.4 times from US dollars 1.3 billion in 2016 to $7.2 billion in 2020. With the Maharashtra capital of Mumbai growing 1.7 times from US dollars 0.7 billion to 1.2 US dollar billions in the same period. The UK capital of London registered an impressive 3 times growth between 2016 and 2020, rising from $3.5 billion to $10.5 billion. It is fantastic to see that Bengaluru and London ranked as the top 2 fastest growing global tech hubs for VC investment. Our 2 great cities share mutual strengths in entrepreneurship and innovation, creating lots of opportunities for tech investors and companies to do business across both regions, said Hemim Barucha, Chief Representative of India at London and Partners. London has a strong trade and investment relationship with cities across India, and today's figures show the opportunities for future partnership between UK and India on technology. Despite the pandemic, tech companies in London and India are continuing to lead the way in creating game-changing technologies, especially in high-growth sectors such as EdTech and FinTech, he said. The UK government's recent Brexit deal with the European Union brings certainty for Indian companies and investors looking to London, and we look forward to welcoming more Indian businesses to the UK capital in the years ahead, he added. Bengaluru is also ranked 6th for the world's tech venture capitalist VC investments on a global list topped by Beijing and San Francisco, New York, Shanghai and London making up the top 5. Mumbai comes in at number 21 in the worldwide ranking, with Boston and Singapore among the other high-ranking cities. Skillmine, a Bengaluru headquartered tech company offering new generation IT consulting and managed services expanded to London last year, highlighted access to like-minded tech entrepreneurs alongside a deep tech talent pool as the highlight of what has been referred to as India's Silicon City in the past. It has been exciting to be part of Bengaluru's emergence as a world-class tech hub. From here, we expanded our business operations into London in May last year, as well as into the Middle East and America markets. London is a global tech hub with access to a thriving tech talent pool alongside growth capital and a wide customer base. We are excited to grow our business in the city said Anant Agarwal, Managing Director, Skillmine. Behind Bengaluru and London, the other fast-growing tech hubs include the two German cities of Munich and Berlin and the French capital of Paris. All three more than doubling their investments in the 2016-2020 period. The UK capital, however, cemented its status as Europe's leading tech hub, with the London companies receiving over 3 times the amount of investment than any other European tech city. London is the global tech capital of Europe. Despite the challenges brought about by Brexit and the coronavirus pandemic, London's tech sector continued to thrive in 2020 and has an important role to play in the city's economic recovery. London is already home to some of the world's best technology companies and will remain open to international investment and tech talent from all over the world, said London Mayor Sadiq Khan. Despite the global pandemic and the UK's exit from the European Union, London tech firms raised US dollars 10.5 billion in 2020, significantly more than the total amount raised in 2017 and 2018, 5.9 US dollars billion dollars, and close to the record in 2019, 10.7 billion US dollars. It's brilliant to see how resilient London's tech sector has been despite the challenges of 2020. International investors have shown real confidence in London, with new venture capital funds setting up here to invest in high growth companies in sectors like fintech, cybersecurity, and health tech. This is because London continues to be the gateway to the European market and a fantastic place to set up and scale a tech company, said Lara Citron, the CEO of London and Partners. The new research from Delroom, Dealroom.co, and LNP also reveals that mega funding rounds for London-based tech companies increased venture capital investment levels for UK tech in 2020, with British tech firms raising a record the US dollars 15 billion in 2020. Additional findings show that London is now home to 1,252 venture capitalist firms, more than any other European city. Following the outbreak of global pandemic and an increase in the remote working in 2020, enterprise software technologies emerged as a top sector for venture capitalist investors. London saw an 82% increase in enterprise software investments last year, with the UK capitalist firms raising a total of 1.9 US billion dollars. Thank you very much for the Press Trust of India giving the statistics on the developments of software industries in London and Bangalore cities. I hope this video is very informative and interesting to know more about Bangalore city, and it is a cyber city. And you can share this video among your friends, those who are job aspirants and plan to work and settle in Bangalore city. And please press the bell icon for the upcoming videos on advancing technologies. Thank you very much for watching my video. Wish you all the success. May God bless you.